let's fix Instagram messages not received. So let's hop into Instagram. Let's say if any one of your friends or any one of the group chats of you have sent you a message and now you have not got that, all you can do is that you can tap on your profile. Firstly, you need to check whether you have toggled on Instagram message request. So you can tap on three dots, three lines. After going there, you can scroll to messages and story replies. From there, you can tap on message request and you can check here whether you could allow the message request from followers and others on Instagram. And you can also tap on group chats who you can add you and make sure that was toggled on. And if this doesn't work for you, all you can do is that you can switch over cellular data and Wi-Fi. Sometimes Wi-Fi network or the cellular data may be an issue for receiving the message, and if they are good, still they are good and you're not getting the message, you can go to the settings. You can scroll to find apps. There you can go to Instagram. In Instagram, you can tap on clear all data and you can again go to the Instagram and start by new. And if still this doesn't fix you, you can go to App Store. There you can search for Instagram, and from there, if it shows you update, and you can update the app. Sometimes if your Instagram is not on up to date and you can't receive certain things on Instagram, so make sure you update the Instagram app, or otherwise you can check for Instagram down. So let's check for that. You can tap on Instagram down current status, and there you could check whether the Instagram is down and the servers are working well and good or not. And if they are at low, you can wait until the servers work well. This is how you could fix Instagram message not received. Thank you.